My name is Luna, and I'm so excited to be coming to Mauritius very soon. I started diving into the path of non-duality more than 10 years ago, just by myself, and later on I found Hridaya Yoga in Mexico. And after actually a silent meditation retreat, I was absolutely fascinated by the teachings, the depth of their commitment to the heart, the practice itself, and also the community of beings who were so dedicated to it. And ever since, I've just been in love with the heart and in service to it. Some of the benefits are very much connected to the mind becoming more and more quiet and calm, and as well the heart is starting to open up, and both of them are actually prerequisites for us to be able to explore meditation. So through the practice of such a retreat, we start finding that something very intimate begins to wake up, not intellectually, but as an intuitive arising from within. I feel immensely humbled by being in the presence of beings who are truly embarking into uncharted territories and being so transparent to themselves, taking that leap into who knows what, because we really don't know what's gonna come up as we rest in silence. And it really brings a lot of beauty, of tenderness to my heart, so much love, inspiration, and a deep sense of purpose as well in service. I can totally understand how someone might feel nervous, hesitant, or slightly concerned even around joining such a retreat, as it really means to start exploring perhaps uncharted territories. And yet at the same time, while we can embrace all those emotions, we can also look a little deeper and see, well, what is at the root of that? Is there maybe curiosity? Is there maybe an intuition that there's something deeper that I'm invited into exploring? And if we feel that that's the case, then why not to say yes to taking those 3 days? And eventually, it's just 3 days of one's own life. So even if it didn't bring you that much, or even if somehow you felt, oh, it was a little challenging, you will find in the end a gem. And those 3 days will become a continuous inspiration for the upcoming ones of your whole life. Please come! We are so looking forward to sharing with you. It's definitely such a transformative exploration, a profound gift that one can offer oneself at least once in a lifetime, and everything will be created in such a caring way, creating the most auspicious conditions for you to be able to dive, to truly enjoy it, and to really go deep within the depths of your heart. So just say yes to this invitation and come share with us.